Today I'm going to show you how to make felted balls. They're a great, simple, quick, fun activity for grown-ups and kids, and you don't need many supplies. So the main supply you need is roving. This is wool and it comes in lots of different colours. You can buy it from craft stores or online, and it's super soft and fun to play with. You need a little dish with warm water in it and just a drop of dishwashing detergent. You need a towel for messes and to keep your hands clean and dry. And then you'll be able to make something like this felted ball garland. It's loads of fun and there's only about 2 steps. So let's dive in. So you'll notice when you take your roving out, it's kind of in a long snake-like shape, and this is not great for felting. So what we want to do is just simply pull it apart and make a little fluffy cloud. Just tease the fibres apart, super easy to do. And then once it's in a little cloud, you're going to submerge it in the water just for a few seconds till it gets all wet. And then once it's wet, bring it out and really gently squeeze out some excess water. You want to keep the soap and water in there, but you don't want it so wet that it's sloppy. Then start rolling your hands. This is really all you do to create the ball. The more agitation, the quicker the felt. So use light pressure. If you're really compacting it, it will be a very dense ball and very hard to get a needle through should you want to string it onto a garland. But otherwise, just keep rolling. Be mindful to stop and check on it from time to time and see how the felting process is going. If when you try and pull it apart, the fibres come apart easily, then the felt is not done. You can see there, it's still coming apart. So that's not what you want. Keep felting and then check again in another 30 seconds or a minute and it should be sticking together. That's how you know it's done felting. So you can see here when I check again that it's quite hard to pull any fibres off. It's a little bit fluffy, but for the most part it's staying together. So just a tad more rolling and this little baby will be done. And that's it. Super fun and easy, isn't it? I told you it would be. And now you have some really cute little felted decorations. If you want to, you can use a needle and thread and make them into a garland. You can make earrings, which would be kind of cute. You can do whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you thought or what you'd like to see next. And have fun felting. Bye.